Hey everybody, I'm Country Coder, and in this video, I'll take you through my Maven project unit test assignment. We'll dive into how I built and tested methods in the TestDemo class using JUnit and Mockito. I'll walk you through parameterized tests, standard unit tests, creating custom methods with tests, and even how I use Mockito to tame randomness. Let's get started. Let's start with parameterized testing. I wrote a method called addPositive in TestDemo.java. It adds two positive integers and throws an exception if either number isn't positive. To test this thoroughly, I used JUnit's parameterized test, TestDemo JUnit test.java. By setting up a method source, I ran multiple test cases at once. Valid inputs like 2 and 3 to check the sum, and invalid ones like -1 and 5 to ensure the exception gets thrown. This way I covered edge cases efficiently without writing repetitive code. Now for something I built from scratch, a method called halved in testdemo.java. As the name suggests, it returns half of a given integer. Simple, right? But even simple code needs tests. In my test class, I wrote assert that halved works correctly to verify cases like halved 4 equals 2. I also added comments to both the method and test to explain their purpose, because future me or anybody else will thank present me for clarity. Finally, let's talk about mocking unpredictable behavior. The randomNumberSquared method in TestDemo.java uses a helper method getRandomInt to generate a random number and square it. Testing randomness is tricky. How do you assert against chaos? Enter Mockito. I created a spy of the TestDemo instance and mocked getRandomInt to always return 5. That way, when I called randomNumberSquared, I knew it should spit out 25. No more guessing games. Mocking let me control the chaos and focus on the logic. To wrap things up, this project was all about testing smartly. Parameterized tests save time. Standard tests handle specifics. Custom methods keep things modular. And Mockito helped me mock randomness. These practices are lifesavers for catching bugs early and keeping code reliable.